Electricity powers almost everything around you, from your phone, to your lights, to your fan. But did you know there are actually two completely different types of electricity? AC and DC. You use both every single day, but most people don't even know the difference. So, what exactly is AC? What is DC? And why does it even matter? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Welcome to PowerTech Simplified, where we break down electricity, electronics, and technology into simple and easy to understand concepts. If you've ever wanted to truly understand how electricity works in real life, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. AC stands for alternating current. This means that the direction of the electric current keeps changing back and forth continuously. In other words, the electricity doesn't flow in just one direction. It moves forward and backward very quickly. In most countries, this change happens about 50 to 60 times every second. This type of current is what powers homes, offices, and most large electrical systems. DC stands for direct current. Unlike AC, DC flows in only one direction. It moves steadily from one point to another without changing direction. This type of current is commonly produced by batteries and is used in many electronic devices like phones, laptops, and flashlights. Any device that uses a battery is powered by DC. So, the main difference is actually very simple. AC changes direction constantly, while DC flows in one straight direction. If you imagine electricity as movement, AC is like going back and forth, while DC is like moving straight from point A to point B. AC is mainly used in homes and large power systems. This is because AC can travel long distances efficiently without losing too much energy. That's why electricity generated at power plants is transmitted as AC to cities and homes. Your wall sockets, lighting systems, and most household appliances all use AC power. DC is mostly used in electronic devices and battery-powered systems. For example, your phone, laptop, power bank, and even some modern electronics all run on DC. Even though your home supplies AC power, many of your devices convert that AC into DC internally before using it. To make this easier to understand, think of AC like waves in the ocean moving back and forth. The movement keeps changing direction repeatedly. Now think of DC like water flowing through a pipe in one direction, steady and consistent. That's exactly how these two types of current behave. Both AC and DC are very important in our daily lives. AC is perfect for transmitting electricity over long distances, while DC is ideal for powering sensitive electronic devices. This is why modern electrical systems use a combination of both AC and DC. So, let's quickly summarize everything. AC stands for alternating current and changes direction continuously. DC stands for direct current and flows in one direction. AC is used in homes and power systems, while DC is used in batteries and electronic devices. If you want to truly understand electricity and how it works in real life, make sure you subscribe to PowerTech Simplified. I'll be breaking down more electrical concepts in the simplest way possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.